Hey, my name's Nathan. I am from Florida. I decided to take this class because I felt, I'm new at a business. I'm new with learning drones. I'm new at marketing. And I thought, why not go with those who have knowledge in a business, knowledge in drones, knowledge in marketing, knowledge on just how to go to other businesses, other individuals, and to really share what what they can offer to those entities. And I thought, well, why not? And what I've learned so far is that this is, even though it's a unique business, it's a growing business. It also can be very serious, and even though I've gotten a good reception because I'm new at this, I've only been doing this for about a month now, and I find that people are very receptive and open, but they're not quite ready to go to the next step. And that's why I'm here, is to learn how to get them to go to the next step. So thank you. I'm looking forward to the remaining 2.5 days